see you come back. Did you bring me the body? You didn't bring me the body, did you? I told you to kill that man. You had a simple job. You couldn't do it. You know the death penalty. You'll be given to it. I think my cheeks are bleeding. Hold on. You disappointed me, Shadow. I thought I could really trust you, you know? Rufus! Rufus! Moving my vodka low, Rufus! You know what interests me the most? Is that you don't seem ashamed. I think I went a little too much rock. Hold on. Okay, here we go.